Yeah, y'all see we in the shop today. I'm in here with Mr. Skinner. He asked me why I call him Mr. Skinner. You know what I'm saying? I called him Mr. Skinner the other day. He said, Mr. Y'all see what's going on though, man. Hey, let me tell y'all something. I deal with the best, and y'all, I'm gonna put y'all in y'all feet. I deal with the best paint and body guys on my side of town. Now, I don't know where y'all from. So, you know, if y'all see me around, which I don't be looking for certain people or whatnot, but if y'all know what, I'm gonna put it like this. I'm out here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So I'm letting y'all know that from the jump. But I deal with the best. I ain't got time to be sitting there, you know what I'm saying, with all these shenanigans. I done had enough of that in the past. So my thing is, when I come to my guys, damn, we sit down, they tell me what they need, I straighten them out, and as you can see right now, I'm through here because I'm a little bored today. But y'all see what's going on with Project Blackout. I told y'all from the jump they were gonna hit them nice little spots, make sure the body line and everything was straight. You see my boy up there hitting the top right quick, laying him out. So I keep telling y'all, man, I mean, I can't talk for a schedule, but if y'all got old school, don't do it. And I ain't talking about the ones with a whole bunch of damage now. So if y'all got a whole bunch of rust and all that, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all gonna have to come straight to the source. But if y'all do got cars that's ready to be sprayed, then we could probably get some. Will you say, Mr. T? Huh? Mr. T? I thought, see, now y'all got. That's why I said y'all got to talk to that man now. Mr. T, and when you tell them they got too much rust, they can leave it where it's at, right? But y'all see it, man. If y'all want that thing done right though, holla at your boy, man. Holla at your boy. I don't like to play middleman. What I do is I get y'all straight to the source, and you know what I'm saying, contract everything out. These boys here gonna get you right, man. These boys here gonna get you right. So Project Blackout, man. Boy. This might be the last video I put up on Project Blackout before y'all see that thing do change color. So I don't know. What do you think, Billy? You think this needs to be the last one I show them? It's the last drop for them, ain't it? All right, so my boy Billy said it's the last drop for y'all. So y'all better get a good glimpse of it right now. And just remember what color it is. I'm going to give y'all a full walk around. Y'all see that? Y'all see the work going on. Y'all saw what I showed y'all on top of the truck and all the other day. So let's get serious about this thing right now. Because I'm going to let y'all know. There's no games being played. Last glimpse. If I come over here, I'm going to let y'all know they ain't going to let me pull my camera out now. So next time I come over here, hey, if I get on IG or something, I'll tell y'all how the progress going. But there will be no more videos of Project Blackout until we get ready to pull this thing out and they tell me I can turn my camera back on. So y'all heard that officially from my boy Billy. Y'all see it. They got a sign on the door. I ain't even supposed to have the camera on in here right now, but you know, they got me approved right now. So with that being said, man, enjoy it. Short little video though. You know what I'm saying? We still got some little stuff I got to do. Like I said, I got to hit the subs in the back again. I'm going to pull the dash out one more time. Not the dash, but the actual stereo. And I got some bass blockers that I want to put in there. I might just go ahead and put them in the door, but that would be 4 doors that I have to pull off. I could do it easier from behind the dash, so I'm going to just go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and get everything else out the way. Because I know my people ready to have the truck black. So they got some other projects that they working on at home or whatnot. So that's the way we going to do that. We're just going to go ahead so they can go ahead and do what it is they got to do. So with that being said, man, no more videos from here on out. If y'all got a question y'all want to ask me about Project Blackout, y'all going to have to ask me on the videos where I'm working on the box Chevy or when I'm working on the CNC machine or something like that. If I'm working, cutting some fiberglass or whatever the case may be, y'all can go down in my comments and talk to me on that. Or either get on IG and ask me about it. Cause this the last video I'm gonna show y'all until this thing like officially roll out, man. So with that being said, I guess Project Blackout is about to black out. Your boy Rich Everything. Y'all can find me on Instagram at Rich_everything with an A. My boy Billy. You on Instagram, Billy? Billy ain't on Instagram. So, you know, he's about business. So it's just like that right there, man. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna sit over here chit-chat with my boys for a while. It's 3:32. I'm gonna chill with them for a little second. And then I'm gonna go to the house and probably jump on these this CNC machine or this laser machine, get some stuff done, because I got one more order I need to get done to get out to my boy Tyrone Davis. Mad shout out to him. Mad shout out to my people in Cali too. Man, I got a lot of little projects going on, man. So y'all stay blessed up, man. If I don't see y'all or drop no video until 2021 if the Lord's will, man, I'll see y'all next year. All right, your boy Rich Everything, man. Signing out. Man, nice little 71. I don't know what's all going with it. Y'all see it, man. I'm over here talking to my paint guys. Undisclosed location photo. I know a lot of y'all might not like photo, but they got some somebody got a photo out there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Y'all hit me in the comments if y'all interested in getting a project car or something like that. I don't know. They might negotiate something or whatever the case may be to get it off the yard. They might want to sell parts or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. And I talk to my man and let him talk to his people and then go from there, man. But I'm surprised, like, and he got real chrome in this car. Real chrome. You know what I'm saying? This car been sitting over here for a good little minute, but yeah, 71. Rare you find one of them. I know a couple of people got them. I know y'all like them two-doors, but that photo right there, man, y'all see it. Y'all see my boy Billy. Done got that whole front clip off. Taking these lights off. Got them new things about to go back in now, so. All right, it's showtime for Project Blackout, as y'all can see. Y'all see what's going on, man. You got Project Blackout getting break down, man. Yeah. Showtime now. Yeah, so my boy Billy done got the whole front end tear down, man. I'm gonna get out the way. Billy running me anyway, man. He about to kick me out. That's why I'm trying to walk. I'm walking away from him right now. You see how I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and move, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Project Blackout coming.